everyone and welcome to English Grammar Cafe. This is the fourth video in the series of pronouns and today we are going to learn interrogative pronouns and then I'll explain you how interrogative pronouns are different from interrogative adjectives. But before starting our lesson, I would like you to subscribe if you want more from the channel and click the bell to be notified. Now let's get started. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions and these are who, which, what, whom and whose. Now if you ask, ma'am, what about how, why, where and when? So these are adverbs and I'll explain you all those adverbs in some other video I'll make for you on adverbs. Now let's see all these interrogative pronouns in detail. Now the first word is who. Who is used of persons only. ये केवल लोगों के लिए यूज किया जाता है. For example, if I say who is speaking, what do you think? What will be the answer? Of course, a person in the form of noun or pronoun. Means if I say who is speaking, so answer will be I am speaking, my friend is speaking, she is speaking. So answer will be in the form of noun or pronoun. Who is knocking at the door? Again in the answer there will be a person in the form of noun or pronoun. So my friend is knocking at the door. One boy is knocking at the door. Who is doing your work? My friend is doing my work. Vedant is doing my work. She is doing my work. Again the answer is in the form of a noun or pronoun. Now let's see the next question word which. Now which is used of both persons and things. Which दोनों के लिए यूज होता है, लोगों के लिए भी और चीज़ों के लिए भी. It implies selection. Means you have to choose. आपको चुनना पड़ता है, आपके पास limited options होते हैं चुनने के लिए. For example, which is your pen? Means I have 2-3 pens. Which is your pen? Which is your friend? Again you may have 2-3 options and you have to choose which is your friend. Which is your book? Which of these books is yours? Again you have few options. You have to choose which of these books is yours. Now let's see what. What is used of things only. ये सिर्फ चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ होता है. For example, what do you want? Means I want milk, I want water, I want tea, I want pen. Means answer will be in the form of a thing. What have you found? I have found my book, I have found a pen, I have found a shirt. What are you searching for? I am searching for my pen, I am searching for my book, I am searching for my t-shirt. So what is used of things only? What सिर्फ चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ होता है. Now whose. The answer of whose will come in possessive pronoun or possessive noun. For example, whose is this pen? This pen is mine. This pen is yours. Whose is this book? So here whose is pronoun. This book is mine. This book is yours. This book is hers. So the answer of whose will come in the form of possessive pronoun or possessive noun also. Now let's see whom. Whom means किसे and the answer of whom will come in the form of an object. Whom का आंसर एक ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह आएगा. For example, whom did you see? तुमने किसे देखा? I saw my friend. I saw a dog. So answer will come as an object. Whom were you speaking? So I was speaking to my friend. I was speaking to John. I was speaking to Juhi. Answer will come in the form of an object. Here I want to tell you one more thing. We can write this sentence in another way also, starting with who. For example, who were you speaking to? See, this sentence is also correct. Though both the sentences have same meaning, in modern English we start the sentence with who also. I hope interrogative pronouns are clear to you. Now let's see interrogative adjectives. Whose, what and which are interrogative adjectives also. Then what's the difference? हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि एक सेंटेंस में which pronoun है या फिर adjective है? Interrogative adjective is always followed by a noun. For example, which pen is yours? When I say which pen together, so which is adjective here. When I say which is your pen, here which is pronoun. Interrogative adjective is always used with a noun. Like whose book is it? Interrogative adjective. Whose is adjective here. But when I say whose is this book, so here whose is pronoun. One more example. What problems do you face? Again, what problems? What is followed by problems? Noun. And that's why what is adjective here. So very simple. Interrogative pronouns are followed by helping verb. And interrogative adjectives are followed by nouns. Like which is pronoun. Which book? Adjective. Whose is pronoun. Whose book is adjective. What is pronoun. What problems? Adjective. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. Interrogative pronouns के बाद helping verb आती है. Like whose is, what do, what is, who are, like that. और interrogative adjective के बाद हमेशा noun आता है. Like which book, which pen, whose book, what matter, what problems. Now as usual I have a mini quiz for you. Make sure you take it to check your learning and understanding. So here is the quiz. Here are the answers. Excellent. Now I have left one question for you in comment box below. Just answer me there. I want to check your understanding there. If you like the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Now let's meet in the next video. Bye.